Abbie, I'm not sure where to start. When we met, I wasn't sure where I was going. I knew you were something special then. Your smile was amazing. Everything about you was amazing. The more time I spent with you, the more my feelings for you grew. That leads to where we are now. I still get that fuzzy feeling of love when I'm around you, but I also know that we have the real love too. I'm looking forward to this. I love you more than I thought I could possibly love, and every day with you that love grows stronger. Writing this is difficult, not because I don't have much to say, rather that I have so much I want to say, but not all of it sounds so elegant on paper. The point is that I cannot wait to start this journey with you. I'm so excited to spend my life with you, to make more memories on top of the ones we have made this far. Everything from buying a home to having children and all of the things in between. I look forward to your smile being the last thing I see at night and the first thing I see in the morning. I know this letter is a little shorter than what you were expecting. That's the beauty of us starting our lives together, though. Whatever I can't say in this letter, I have the opportunity to show you for the rest of our lives. I love you, Abbie. Enjoy the photos you're about to take. I cannot wait to see you in your dress. Love, Jake, your soon-to-be husband.
Jacob, I don't want to marry you just so I can wake up to you every day or be with you forever. I want to marry you because marriage is hard, raising kids is hard, debt and bills and relatives and jobs and blending two families is hard. And you are the person I want to go through all the bad times with. Life is never going to magically be all butterflies and rainbows because you marry your soulmate. Life is hard, and I want to marry you and love you every day through every bump in the road. I want to marry you to be your rock through every curveball and to look at you when everything's falling apart. I don't want to marry you because it is cute and exciting. I want to marry you because it is real and it's hard work. And to have a lifetime of ups and downs with you is worth every second of it. So with all that being said, I promise to love you, respect you, support you, and above all else, make sure I'm not just yelling at you because I'm hungry. I love you and cannot wait to see your face when I walk down that aisle. Love always, Abbie.
It is obvious that they love each other very much, and Jake makes her genuinely happy, not to mention the joys that Lincoln brings too. My wish for her has come true. You are no longer one, not two, but three. And cheers to the new Mr. and Mrs. Braesmer.
Jake and Lincoln, you make Abbie so happy, and we are so blessed to have you two join the family. I look forward to the memories we will make, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for you. Love you guys.
She's more than all right. She's my daughter, and I'm proud of you. And I love you. Jake, take good care of her. Letting go isn't easy. I have a lot of comfort in knowing how much you guys love each other.
And I really feel that he's really met his match in Abbie. And I think Abbie is a wonderful mother already. She's really just taken Lincoln over. And anyone that's met Lincoln knows what I mean. I love my little man, and I'm really proud of both of you. I think you're doing great, and I think you're going to make a really good team.
Now we're going to drink this champagne and toast to the bride and groom.
No, we weren't looking when our paths crossed their ways. And they always say good things come to those who wait. We done our share of living, and now we have the scars to show. But now we got each other, and can't wait for life to unfold. 'Cause it was you that changed my life. You showed me right from wrong, you led me to the light. Not a moment passes, and not a day goes by that I don't thank the good Lord above for what brought me here tonight. 'Cause it was you that changed my life. You showed me right from wrong, you led me back to the light. Not a moment passes, and not a day goes by that I don't thank the good Lord above. No, I don't thank my lucky stars above for making you my wife.